Hi guys, Doug here, Bama Mud Motors. We got a Christmas tool haul, guys. This is great, fabulous. Let's dig in and see what I got. We got some air fittings for the new hose over there. My strip quit on me, so I got a new one. Got a 4-pack of cutting off wheels. 26-piece titanium drill bits. My first Comfort Grip 1/4-inch drive Harbor Freight ratchet. My first one. I think I'm gonna like it. New pair of welding gloves. Nine-piece wobble extensions. 1/4, 3/8 to 1/2-inch drive. Got ourselves a soldering gun. Four-piece pry bar set. 8, 12, 18, and 24. And we also have a 5-piece ball peen hammer set. Mick mowers. And my wife got me a shop clock. I think that's pretty cool. And we got a 1.5-ton floor jack, racing floor jack. The lightweight one. That's what we got, boys. I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's open a couple things up. Let's take a look and see what we got here. Wow, that's nice. Little fry bar. Next size. Next one. And the bigger one. That's pretty cool. Nice. We'll open up this hammer. We already got one on that. Fiberglass handle. .24 ounce. Pretty nice. Well, that's all I'm going to open up for now, guys. Appreciate y'all. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.